Here we go. Yeah. Do you want to go for a walk, Rocco? You want to go for a walk? Come in. Harrison's got your leash for you. You need to come down. Yeah. I know. I'm telling him. I'm asking him. Go ask him too. Yeah. I know. Come on, Rocco, let's go for a walk. Don't you want to go outside? Do you want to go outside? Outside? Rocco. Do you want to go outside? Rocco. Let's go outside. I know. I'm trying to convince him. Yeah, I know. Yeah, maybe he'll go outside when it's warmer.